Right, little update video. So, what time is now?
Time is 3:10.
So, we'll be doing like 4-ish hours, 4 5. And then, last time we saw, I did all the blacks, and then today, been doing all the grey bush. Maybe it doesn't look like that big in the video, but Matt's fucking big guy. That is a massive tattoo. So did all the shading and backgrounds and the snakes and smoothing out and all the other stuff, and it kills and it burns. You can see how red that is. Well, you can almost see in the video, but it's pretty red, pretty
Yeah, pretty.
skinless. It feels like there's no skin on you, no? And yeah, he's gonna go on holiday soon. So when he comes back, then we can blast some more. He was kind of like,
Struggling
yeah,
towards the end.
yeah, and as always, after tutoring for how many years now? About 5, 6 ish.
Oh, yeah, I'd say so. Yeah,
Yeah.
you started there, and then.
I don't remember doing that.
Don't you?
No.
That was you.
I remember the fingers. I don't remember doing fingers,
Yeah,
but that was it. I don't remember that.
yeah.
That must be a while ago.
That was a long.
A century ago.
I think that was Studio One.
Didn't I start with her? No?
No, you started there.
Really?
Mhm. Yeah. I've got a picture of you doing that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or a video somewhere.
I think you mentioned last time. I was trying to rinse through my head, through my memories in my head, and I was like, don't remember doing any of it.
Yeah.
I remember the
'Cause
fingers. I
I got you
remember
to
the.
put another twist in there because it stopped there. He was going to sort of make that black, and I want it another, like it's twisting.
Yeah.
Twisting the. Yeah.
Maybe when we have nothing to do, we can blast more ink in there.
Yeah.
Get that kind of tone.
Something needs to happen.
And
doesn't it?
we also need to probably do some more cleanups between the sessions we've done.
Yeah.
I do like that one. Actually, the white actually stayed on this white.
It's done really well, isn't it?
Like that white is nice, and that's still there.
Yeah.
I think that was only one time. I think here I did twice the white.
Yes, it came out.
Pushed more in.
I think it bled, didn't it? And it just came out with the blood.
Yeah, I think that was twice. That was twice. I think that was once.
That's right. Yeah.
And then all this is also one time. This is about 2 years ago, no? Year,
The
2?
eye, I would probably say about a year and a half, yeah.
Yeah, I don't remember now. But that's also like white. The white's still there.
Yeah,
I don't know what white I was using, but it's there.
it's good. good whites. The white stuff.
No, that's stencil stuff.
That is it.
This is the white thing. But I don't know if I was using allegory. Maybe I did. I don't know. But I do like this white. It's white.
Yeah.
So we're gonna add some more white on his chest next time when he goes to Thailand, cooks his skin, then he recovers, and then back there, like a cleanup session. So probably what also happened today was I was just saying to him, we did that about months ago. Then he healed, and because the skin is like just freshly healed, so the damage was like the whole thing, and I shredded all of that, quite black and dark. So there was a lot to heal, a lot damage, and then 20 days later again, and now 15 mag, which means 15 needles hit the skin at once the whole day. There's only so much body you can take, so we kind of tap the limits, hit the limits, and fuck it, we can do it next time. And then we're gonna add some more white next time.
Yeah, man.
And that's about it.